Hey, what's up everybody? Bit me some back with another Hbar video. Right now I'm on the Hedera Hashgraph, a 1 hour time frame. And in previous videos we were talking about this channel that we were in. So this targeting one, if you kind of notice, we stay in it. We respect this channel pretty much. Come out of it, hit a support line, and then bounce back in it. Hit another support line, come underneath it, then we hop back in it, and then we just recently broke down underneath it into this triangle. So if you notice, right here is where we broke. So I had the triangle set pretty much, and I think in the previous video it was still inside, so it was maybe just these candles so far that I had mentioned. And or actually, yeah, it was that one, because this one, once it broke, it came directly to where this bottom candle reached at. And if you notice, I had in the previous video I set this line here because I knew this was the bottom because it got rejected. So when I put that line there, when we broke out of this triangle right here, it rejecting right there pretty much tells me we're gonna go back up, because we hit it there, we couldn't go back down. Hit it here, we turned green, so we're on the green side. And then we go up a little bit, now we're up again. Come down just a little bit, but now we ate that whole candle up with this green one. And that's what pushed everything to go back up. And now we're back in this tunnel. And what I mentioned was that we had to break this first. We had to break this first resistance line. And once we broke it, we closed above it, above the triangle, and that determined the next one was going to be green. So that's where, and then this line right here was the next support, and we broke that, confirmed we were probably going to go up to this line right here. And we broke that, and now right now the current price is $21.79. When we were making the video previously, the price was at $19.90, pretty much 20 cents. So from 20 cents to where it's at now, we're already at a 10% gain. So that's a pretty good gain if you were able to catch that. Alright, so let me just try to see what we can see right now in the next coming. I think I need to move this down. Something like that, I think. Yeah, that'll be alright. And then this line is from up there. Oh yeah, from that previous triangle that we had made. It's just extended all the way down like that. So we could be hitting that. Let me get rid of this now, because yeah, these were just the current, like what was happening next. So if we break on the other side of this line, that's what confirms that upside. If we would have broke underneath it, followed the line down, we would have kept coming. And if you notice the volume down here, a lot of green. That definitely confirmed that pump. So let me see if I can find something right now before anything happens. So we were able to find that, see that little triangle happening. I don't know if this could be a head or shoulder head, and then maybe this next one could be this possible head and shoulder maybe. but then that means we'll have to come back into the tunnel and then support the tunnel and then hit this line, and then we'll definitely come up. So I mean, it just kind of depends, but we have been respecting this channel a lot. So like I said, we hit this channel up there, kind of came up, now we finally broke it. So I mean, and there's a lot of green, so for us to turn around and go back down, we'll have to eat up all these green candles, and that's going to be a lot. So yeah, current price is 21.73. We just broke above 21.59, and I'm pretty sure I had that as a target. So the line was already here when I turned the computer on, so I know that was, all these lines were from yesterday's video too, so that's why it's important. Definitely found some good support and resistance. So it does look like we're pushing down a little bit, but this 21.59 will be the bottom if we decide to go back up. But if we break 21.59 going down, we'll probably come back into this channel, possibly just hit right here where this bottom candle is hitting at, and that's 21.95, and possibly go back up. That's my guess. So let's see. Alright. So I guess now we'll do it again. How I had those X's from earlier that told me if I get past this line, we're going this way. Let's see. So I mean, I think this is the line that we're going to and you know what, in the video yesterday I said on the 22nd, which is today, because we were obviously in the 21st, I said once we hit the 22nd is going to be the next move. And if, of course, the first 22nd candle was the next move to go up. So that was definitely a good call right there. I appreciate everybody watching and liking and subscribing. I appreciate that. We did hit 22 subscribers, so I really do appreciate everybody that subscribed in the last day. I didn't think we would hit it that fast, but so since we hit that target so fast, I'm asking, could we hit 25 subscribers now? Right now we're at 22, so we only need 3 more subscribers to hit 25. So I would appreciate it if anybody that's watching the video that's not subscribed yet, if you could hit that subscribe button and like, that'll really help me out, and I'll keep making these videos for you guys. I really do appreciate everybody watching. So yeah, let me just check a little bit more right here. So my guess is that we're gonna have to stay above this line right here for us to keep moving forward. So this is coming in at 9 o'clock. So right now my current time is 7 o'clock. So in 2 hours, the next 2 candles will be the determining factor if we're going to be pushing down or pushing up. So I would definitely watch out for that. Let's check the RSI real fast. I just want to make sure the RSI is good. And if you notice, the RSI is on the upside again. We cross down here on the MACD. The money flows high. The stock is high. Yeah, and if you notice this yellow line, I had put it so since the fact that we pushed above it let us know we're going to the upside. So yeah, that definitely helped out a lot. I'm glad I did those lines. That's why I'm saying a lot of things you gotta try just to see if it works, and then eventually you find out what works and what doesn't. So like I said, the good thing about charts is you get a bunch of new candles every day. So don't ever give up. Just keep working at it. Don't give up. Alright, yeah, so our stock is kind of high. Our RSI just got rejected. The MACD is already kind of slowing up a little bit too. So okay, we're on the down. The volume up here is going to come down. So that's gonna, and this is coming down. So I'm just assuming that, yeah, we're probably gonna come back into this tunnel, consolidate, and like I said, that'll be determining our next major move. Alright, yeah, so like I said, we did get rejected and stock is high, so I don't think we'll be seeing that much more upside in the next few hours. So I think we might consolidate in here or something, and then this is when we're gonna, if we move out and break out this tunnel, we could be pushing up, but it could just be a fake out too. So just be careful. We're in an overall downtrend, so we really have to start breaking 2250 for us to start moving up. So we're kind of stuck right now at 2190 pretty much. So if we could break past 2190, we'll be pushing up a little bit. 2160, if we're pushing down, we'll be heading down. So, and technically we're 2157 right now. So if this candle closes underneath this line, underneath that line and that line, then yeah, so it's gonna probably be halfway up, halfway down. So the next candle, which is in an hour or two, wherever it closes, if it closes inside of this, definitely we're coming down. So I would watch out for that. Alright, so yeah, thanks for everybody for watching. If this video could get 9 likes, I would really appreciate it. Last video got 8 likes, so I want to try to push this one. Let's try to get 9 likes, and we'll try to get to 25 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody watching, and have a good day. Don't stress out about the market. It always goes up and down, so don't worry. If you believe in crypto, it'll be back. So just keep on going. Don't give up. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video.